Ooh, my body's not a wonderland.
Guess where we are, Trevor?
Bermuda Triangle.
We're gonna sink the boat. Today we're gonna put this on because I did this one last episode. You saw the swearing and then they're running out of battery. We at the roll, I think it's over here by Trevor. Little things we found. This, which means this is dripping a bunch. Trevor found something over there, but can't find where it comes from because there's nothing above.
I think it was running down this wire and dripping down.
Anyway, we're gonna put this here and see how this goes. I'm probably gonna put questions, thoughts, concerns, because we have many. When they started working on the boat.
Oh yeah. God, our joints are just like. Oh, we're just going for it. Just
now. I'm just gonna compare.
I wonder. It's gonna look weird. I think.
Yeah, but how can we have it up? I mean, we could go this way and continue. Then you have to go hold the piece right there.
Yeah.
Which I think would look worse. That, which I don't think will look that bad.
I mean, yeah.
I don't think it looks that bad.
It could be worse.
Do we
want to overhang it just a little bit so that we trim it down, or do you want to try to get it as like straight as possible?
Well,
like I mean, like as far as like, do we want it past this seam a little bit?
Oh, I figure we can go a smidge over this.
Should we have it like a tiny bit down?
Yeah, we can go a smidge over here.
Yeah.
So it's above that, because then I can just cut it with a razor.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
And then
a
down
smidge
this.
over. Well, we could always use a little bit of like caulking to like go around it to like cover up any like little.
Yeah, that's true. I brought the caulking for that too. So basically, I feel like I could just go. Here we go.
Wait. Why are you doing that?
I'm just gonna cut this down the middle, but tear this off. Just half of it. Let's stick half of it down.
Wait, we don't want a seam.
No, I'm not cutting.
Well, wait, we gotta do the acetone.
Oh yeah.
We're barely alive today. Like we're on the struggle bus for real. So I'm gonna let you acetone that with me not in the boat. It's a nice day here though. Look at this.
How's everybody doing?
How's everybody doing? Oh.
Look at that smell.
Ooh, that smell. Quite pungent. Stings the nostrils. That 40-year-old tabletop never looked so good. I kind of care about my brain cells, not that much. Oh, I see what you mean. Then you're gonna trim it off and then we'll start from the middle or whatever.
I'm gonna go back here to the middle. You're gonna hold that.
Okay.
I'm gonna pull this way some.
Okay. I believe.
Somebody has to. And then we're gonna go up to the edge, like lower. We're gonna go just beyond. Are we beyond?
Wait, I need to come my way a little bit. Yep, I think we're just beyond.
And then I'm gonna stick the middle down and work my way up.
Okay.
So right here.
Yep.
Sticky.
Seems fairly straight.
Seams. And then.
Okay.
Okay. And then to there. And
we got a ton of room for it. How are we gonna get it into this corner?
as I stab the knife towards you.
We'll use the whatever it's called. Yeah. Oh, should we try the brush? I'm trying to put a little finish touch on this side.
Alright, start going.
Well, here. Or wait, hold this top maybe. Or
I can crease as you go. Just you have to remember like this.
Yeah, we got a gnarly crease over here. Should we slice a little bit?
We can.
I think we have to like have it like flatter, yeah, like that.
Just kind of pull it.
Cause it's like, yeah, cause it's kind of like.
Oh, it's too steep of an angle.
Yeah, we were trying to like approach it at like a really steep angle.
I don't know what I'm doing, Trevor.
Neither do I. I'd like to believe my attention to detail will help us, but I just don't know. Just yeah. Okay. You like this? You like that? Oh, that's an actual bump in the table.
Yeah. You say a blunkin in the table?
Yeah. Blumpkin. Ooh, that's a gnarly ass. Didn't go far enough up. Oof, yeah, come on. A split if there's. Which isn't the worst thing because we're gonna cut it right there anyway, but like. Yeah, time. Because we'll fill it in with whatever it's called. Caulk, yeah.
Nice piece of caulk.
We should probably do that after we resin though, don't you think?
I would. Still looks better than yellow Formica. Just up, Trevor.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Absolutely perfect.
There we go.
I mean,
And then we're gonna put some of the sea reflective plasma on the corners. You can't even see it because it's right there. So right here, we're gonna do a little bit of caulking, just like a nice little blend. They can't see that.
Oh shit.
That's all I know of the song.
Yeah.
Yay!
Yay! Could have been a little bit better, but everything on this boat, we could have done a little bit better.
Yep.
And that's the name of the game.
Life as a
folks.
whole, we could have done a little bit better.
Yeah, oh, life as a whole. Maybe that's the name of the boat.
Yeah.
Life as a whole.
And the little tiny text that says we could have done a little bit better.
Yeah. Here, let's pop it up and see what we think. Yeah, it's not too shabby. It's I mean, because it could come up a little bit more, right? Yeah, there's a little bit of a gap there, but oof, god, that edge over there is rough. But we made everything else kind of pop in pretty easily.
I like it.
Yeah.
Definitely brightens up the inside.
Yeah. I think probably resin it first, maybe. All right, boys and girls. Henry stepped away for a moment, so I'm going to show you. We got, obviously, this all done. I think we've already filmed all of that, which is cool. It turned out all right. Could have been a little bit better, but hey, we don't know what we're doing. That's the theme of the boat. But now, we got, Henry picked up these super fancy kind of like semi-rustic tiles.
Does it look okay?
That are all individual, and I think they look pretty damn cool.
Textured.
Yeah, they're textured. They're a little thicker than the other ones. I think they're a lot nicer looking, which I think is gonna be cool. So we'll put those up, just kind of see what they look like.
You're gonna start with the lighter on the bottom? Or this doesn't really matter that much, does it?
No, they're all gonna be.
Story of my life.
It just flops over.
So this is one thing I was thinking I was kind of worried about. I'm not worried, is not the right word choice, but I'm gonna take the parchment paper, just tape it here, do the compass trick, and just run the compass like at an angle here.
Yeah.
And then lay that, it'll give me the basic line, and then lay that on the back of this, and then cut it.
Yeah, it's gonna be, getting those to link up right there is gonna be kind of a bitch for sure, but I mean, but I think it'll look good.
But we're gonna find out. They're gonna come on an adventure with us while we try that.
Yeah.
That's the next part of the project.
It would honestly probably be easier if we purposely didn't have it just butt up right to the edge and had it kind of over more, so the piece was a little bit bigger probably.
Well, we'll go until we get close to the edge.
Well, I haven't really ever started a tiling project, like a true tiling project from start to finish, but I think you kind of purposely start not on the sides. Like you start in the middle of the wall, I'm pretty sure, because then...
I want to start here.
Because then it's more. Well, I think we go to the wherever the pattern is. We go to wherever, and I think we just build it. God, that's annoying. I think we just build it up to the edge or whatever, however it looks. Let's say it stops like this. Just cut it down with the Dremel or something, and then we just get it.
It's supposed to be cut with a razor knife, supposedly.
Oh, really?
There's aluminum in it, but I brought shears too.
Okay. Yeah, we cut it, and then I think just a little piece of L something. And then we'll have to figure it out in between the shelves that we put up. All right, well, we just mumbled a lot about some random shit, and we'll figure it out. Yeah, let's get started. All right, so we made a basic stencil here.
Do I just tape it to it?
Because otherwise, how else are you gonna score it, Fold it over, maybe? Maybe just grab scissors and just go for it?
No, it's kind of our mantra.
Yeah. Grab scissors and go for it. It's like Christmas.
This is gonna be a fun little adventure.
I would go a little bit outside of that.
Outside the box?
Yeah, I would go a centimeter outside of it.
Like here?
Yeah. Because worst case scenario, all it does is push it into the part of the wall a little bit more or whatever. I have a good feeling this is gonna go first try.
Yeah.
Which is rare for us. Hey, that cupboard worked first try for the most part, and that was
It looks nice, dude.
It looks very nice. Yeah. Just the blood starts squirting up. Hey, we're trying to film here.
What you doing, Rico?
Moment of truth. First try.
I'm betting it'll be close enough.
Yeah, again, caulking and trim go a long way.
And the answer is...
We'll take the paper off.
I don't want to.
Let the people see.
That's D-up.
Yeah.
And there goes like D-up. That's pretty close. I mean, close enough. There's a tiny bit right there, but I'll take that.
I have a good feeling this is gonna go first try. Well, like I said, dude, a piece of trim, flexible, like a piece of wood or something, 3M it in there, you know? I mean, like I said, dude, a little bit of caulk or whatever, and like, you know,
little caulk?
A little caulk. Nothing on this boat we do is janky.
That piece ain't gonna work. It's gotta be squared off though. First. Where did I cut? Right here?
Yeah.
I wonder if... Hand me that way.
What?
The wood piece. Try something.
Yeah, just leave it alone, dude. We gotta do the whole wall. We gotta do the whole wall.
We could stick that up there now.
Yeah.
I mean, it doesn't have to go all the way exactly up to the thing, but covering that little tiny hole would be kind of nice. Actually, I'll leave that hole there.
Oh, for wiring?
Running the light wiring to the
Well, we could drill through that though once we have the tile up and then have the little pass-through hole in the tile. You know what I mean? Instead of having that just like exposed all janky.
Oh yeah, so cover it with the tile and then drill a little.
Yeah, and then pass the...
Do you want to stick this up here now or do you want to...
I mean, why not?
There?
I mean, I don't know, right?
We're gonna just do everything else by the seat of our fucking pants.
Well, everything else is gonna tile into that.
It's true. Now this should be fine.
Just as is. Start from the bottom, I guess. Just like jam it up in that corner, I guess.
That's the plan. No, it's too close, but whatever. We'll see what happens. It's not flat, perfectly flat right there. This is why I brought the heat gun with me now. I can heat it up. It'll mold into it better.
Oh, really? Is that a thing?
I would assume so. It's plastic and aluminum.
I think it'll be fine for what we're trying to do.
That's not moving.
Next piece. Perfect. Let's just go along the bottom for now and start building it up.
This side first? Uh-oh. Why is it? Uh-oh.
What?
It's not. It's not.
Well, I guess we didn't look at the directions.
That's not it. It's just not being perfectly flush.
Well, it's the top one I'm worried about.
That's the whole thing I'm worried about. We forgot to take into account the boat isn't perfectly level, Trevor.
Yeah. Oh, you know what we're gonna have to do is trim a tiny bit off that bottom.
Down here?
Yeah.
That'll be fun to do.
You see the one there? Subscribe and hit that bell. And if you already subscribed, then hit that bell. Like button.
And we're both wearing shorts today. And I don't have dress shoes on.
Wow.
It's like-
I didn't even notice
It's
that.
like the olden days.
Talk to me like Trevor's do.
A big dollop right here because somebody was stupid. I don't know who it was and cut too short.